Kigina kia Hustler Fund ni kigina gietereirwo na njira nene ni Akenya makirikirira aria muhuko muhuthu. Riu kigina gikigitanywo kurehe moguni kiondorita kuri namba nene ya Akenya aria makoretwo makiaga ngombo. Agithurima giikaro kia uruguria wa kigina giki gicukiro-ini kia bathi kia Green Park, Minister wa Thathaiti na biashara nini Simon Chelugui nyeranire mihango yothe ya mehariria gukorwo erikirire. Riu President Dagitari William Ruto agitanywo gutongoria mambura maya mothe wa ruciu.
Hustler Fund is an intervention that is going to address a number of challenges that many Kenyans have gone through, and it is a fund that will be revolutionary as far as lending in Kenya is concerned, particularly digital lending.
Kigina giki gikagwetwo gukorwo gikuite moguni kiondorita wa kuguneka muno ari Mukenya wa muhuko muhuthu makiria Kenya aria makoretwo maikitio itari-ini ria kombioru ria CRB.
Those who hustle, they do many kind of jobs, they work hard, they toil, they wake up in the morning, sometimes they suffer because of access to affordable credit. Tomorrow is their day.
Kurigana na Chelugui, ministry yake ni abikite kurutithania wira na ngwataniro ya wonjoria na iganda ya KNCCIA, ngwataniro ya ruti wira jua kali gatagati ka honge ingi nigo gutigirira Kenya ni mataukirwo makiria ciegi Hustler Fund.
Kenyans were given a promise and Kenyans were in an engagement that was canvassed across the country, raised the issue of access to affordable credit. And I'm happy that majority of those in digital field are also responding. I'm seeing now very positive messages. I've seen also financial institutions enhancing the allocation towards the smallholder businesses.
Chelugui no aheanite utheri wa gukinyanira gwa kigina giki kiwatho riu akiuga makinya maria mothe mafataire gukinywo ni makinyanirio ni ministry yake na ndudu ya minister.
This fund has gone through all the legal processes. We tabled and submitted these regulations after they were passed by cabinet before a house committee delegated legislation. I personally sat in that meeting, submitted the regulations.
Ona thegi ya kigina giki kwendekithio gitigakirie ciringi bilioni 50 hari itena ria mbere ria ngombo cia andu kiumbe. Minister wa kigina Professor Njuguna Ndung'u ni erĩga kurekereria notithi ya kiwatho iria riu ihete bunge hinya wa kwendekithia muigana uria muingi muno ngineanwo hari kigina giki.
We are encouraging institutions to merge this fund. We are encouraging development partners to come along with us because they have been looking for an avenue to support the people at the bottom of the pyramid. Now there is a chance.
Ninge notithi ino ni ataririe uria aria magarara ihinda ria urihi wa kigina giki magirire ni kwerwo makinya riu njoherera ciao hari ngombo ikiongererwo kuma gicunji kia 8 hari 100 nginya gicunji gia 9.5 hari 100 riria riothe makiria thikũ cia gucokia ngombo ciao. Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV ritwa rakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.